Hello student, this is Mehnaz Khan with second part of the poem When of 9th class. Let us discuss our literary device. Student, if you observe that second, third and fourth line has started with same word don't. If two or more than two consecutive lines start with same word, that is anaphora literary device. So we are having anaphora literary device here. If we see here that grumbling word is repeated in two line again and again, this is repetition literary device. Student, wind is used just like a human being. He wouldn't do what? वो नहीं करेगी जो तुम कहोगे. What he did means we are treating wind just like a person. So this is personification literary device. We are also having alliteration here. Wind, winnows, wouldn't, what va sound is repeated in consecutive words, so this is alliteration literary device. Beside this student, we are having some symbolism. What is symbolism? That wind is used just like a symbol. Wind is a symbol of hardships, challenge, barrier, the problems we are having, we are facing in the world, and these are the challenge for us. That is the wind is symbol who create, which create problem in front of every weak things to make them strong. Student, in this poem we are not having any rhyme scheme. No word is rhyme to each other. It is written in free verse. So no rhyme scheme is here. Again you can see the literary device, anaphora, personification, repetition, alliteration, symbolism, which we have discussed. No rhyme scheme. It is free verse. Student, we are having some new words here. Scatter means spread, poke, push, weakling, weak, frill, weak, crumble, break, rafter, log of wood used in roof, winnows, to blow, chef, crush, destroy, firmly, strongly, roar, loud sound, flourish, to develop. Let us discuss some important questions. Student, our first short question is, what are the things the wind does in the first stanza? Everybody knows. I explained this thing and it is also written in answer. In our second question, have you seen anybody winnows a grain at home in a paddy field? What is the word is your language for winnowing? What do people use for winnowings? Means here you can see that what is winnow. Winnow means जब हम grain को अलग करते हैं भुस से, तो उसको आपकी लैंग्वेज में क्या कहा जाता है और आपने कभी इस कंडीशन को देखा है? दिस इज आस्क इन दिस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर इज मेंशन आल्सो हियर. आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट डज द पोएट से द विंड गॉड विनोज? गॉड विनोज को पोएट क्या कह रहा है? आंसर इज हियर. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज, व्हाट शुड वी डू टू मेक फ्रेंड्स विद द विंड? मीन्स हमें विंड को अपना दोस्त बनाने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? यू नो वेरी वेल. Next, what do the last four lines of the poem means to you? Means last line of poem, 4 line, what message gives to you? Next, what does the poet speak to wind in anger or with humor? जब वो हंसता है तो खुशी में क्या कहता है और गुस्से में क्या कहता है? You must also have seen or heard of the wind crumbling lives. तुमने बहुत सारा नुकसान करते हुए विंड को देखा होगा, ब्रेक करते हुए देखा. What is your response to this? Is it like poet is? तुमने भी क्या पोइट की तरह ट्रीट किया? Our next question is, who are disturbed by the wind? Everybody knows the weeklies are disturbed. Our next question is, what does the wind do with the books? Books के साथ wind ने क्या किया? How does the wind become the cause of rain? Student, you have read this thing in your science and SST that how the wind is a cause of rain. Wind कैसे बादल्स को लाती है, cloud लाकर बारिश कराती है. Next is, why should the earthly people build a strong house? Means the people should build a strong house. Why? क्यों बनानी चाहिए उन्हें strong house? Hope student that everything is clear to you. These are the only the questions. According the book's answer is written here. If you are having new idea in your mind that you can, I hope that you can write better, but answer should be proper, the language should be proper, there should be full grammatical answer should be there, no spelling error, no tense error should be there. If you really want to your views, you can write your views. I want that you perform better. You can take help from these notes. if you are having different ideas, then you can suggest also. You can increase your answer by giving your own ideas. Thank you, student. Have a good day. Bye bye.